And here we are again, the antics of Pearl and her quest for milk.
What do you say? Huh? What do you say? You want milk or not? Cow?
I have never in my life seen a dog get so excited over milk.
Cow? Damn.
Aren't you supposed to pray for it, Pearl?
What do you say?
Pray for your milk.
You're supposed to pray before you have your milk. Pray. Pray. You gonna pray or not? Huh? You're not gonna get it unless you pray. You're not the target market.
Gidget, you gotta go out? Did you get some milk? Did Pearl get milk? Wow. Must be Christmas.
What are you doing?
Must be Christmas. I don't want them having ham. Hello? What did I say? No, she can have milk. She can't have ham. No, Kim, no ham. Didn't you get any milk? Then why are you still like this?
You got some. I shouldn't give her very much.
That's why she's excited. Because she only got a taste.
What do you say? What do you say? What do you say? Well, pray for your milk. Pray. There you go. Oh, now. What are you pushing your sissy out of the way for?
Who is up? Pass him over. Yeah, see? What's going on?
Okay, Porky, you're done.